In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in LibreOffice Writer. If you collaborate on documents or just want a clear record of what you edited and when, Track Changes is your best friend. I'll walk you through turning it on, making sure your edits are labeled correctly, and understanding what you see on the page. First, launch LibreOffice Writer. If you already have a document you want to work on, open it now. If not, create a new blank document so you can follow along. It's helpful to start with a simple sentence or two in the file, just so you can see the effect of tracking as you make edits. Before recording edits, let's make sure your identity is set so changes are attributed correctly. Go to the Tools menu and choose Options. On some systems, this may appear as Preferences under the LibreOffice menu, but you're looking for the same settings area. In the Options window, select LibreOffice, then User Data. Enter your name and initials so the software can label your edits, then confirm and close the window to save those details. This makes your revisions clearly recognizable in a team. Now you're ready to record changes. Go up to Edit, then Track Changes, and click Record. When Record is active, LibreOffice logs every insertion, deletion, and formatting adjustment you make from this point forward. If you don't see obvious markings immediately, turn on the visual layer by going to Edit, Track Changes, and making sure Show is checked. Show controls what you see, Record controls what gets captured. You typically want both on while reviewing. With tracking on, try typing a few words. Additions will usually appear in a distinct color and may be underlined, while deletions will stay visible as strike-through text. You'll also notice change bars in the margin, which help you spot where edits live at a glance. If the colors look different from what you expect, that's normal. Color choices can vary by user and theme, and that's actually helpful in multi-author documents. As you work, remember that Show is just a view. You can temporarily hide change markings by turning off Show without stopping the actual recording. When Show is off, the document appears clean, but the edit history is still being captured in the background. Turn Show back on any time to bring the markup back into view. That's all you need to start tracking changes in LibreOffice Writer. Set your user details, enable Record, and use Show to see what's happening in real time. Save your document regularly, and you'll always have a reliable, clearly labeled history of your edits.